morning, respected teachers and my dear friends. Today, my class 8D is going to host a talk show about the significance of Makar Sankranti, a festival that links new beginnings, gratitude, and harmony with nature. Makar Sankranti is one of the most important festivals in India. It symbolizes hope, harvest, and happiness. In this talk show, we will talk about the significance of Makar Sankranti.
From the religious mindset in the Ramayana tradition, it wasn't an engineering logic, it was spiritual logic. They believe God's name isn't just a word that carries the same power as God Himself.
People say that science and religion can be together, like Ram Setu Bridge made of rocks with Ram written on them. But the scientific theory says that it is rooted in geology, specifically the properties of pumic stones which floats in water.
Hey Arvik, how is it in India? Makar Sankranti is celebrated in every state.
India is a land of unity and diversity, and Makar Sankranti reflects this spirit perfectly. Though the festival is celebrated the same day across different states, it is known by different names and celebrated in different ways in
North India, especially in Uttar Pradesh and Bihar, Makar Sankranti is celebrated as known as Khichdi. The people stake themselves in a dip of holiness, like in Ganga River, and follows in a same manner.
Hello Sandy, tell me about it. Do you know what is Makar Sankranti?
Makar Sankranti is a major Hindu festival and an astronomical event, making the sun's transition into the zodiac sign of Capricorn, Makar Rashi. It is celestial move that signifies the end of the winter solstice and the start of Uttarayana, which is the sun's 6-month northward.
Core significance of Makar Sankranti. First, harvest celebration. It is primarily an agricultural festival that where farmers effect gratitude to the sun and Surya for successful harvest of rabi crops like rice, wheat.
What makes Makar Sankranti special?
Makar Sankranti is special because it is celebrated on the same day in all across the India in different ways, with different names and different ways to celebrate.
I have heard that Makar Sankranti was celebrated on December 21st and 22nd, but now it is celebrated on 14th January. Why?
Historically, Makar Sankranti considered with the winter solstice December 21 and 22. Due to the Earth's precession, the sidereal date based on stars has shifted to January 14th over.
Hello Nia, how are you?
I'm fine. What about you?
Happy
Makar
Makar
Sankranti.
Same to you. Can you tell me the significance of Makar Sankranti?
Yes, why not? Do you know Makar Sankranti is a harvest festival which is celebrated every year from 14 January to 15 January. It symbolizes the sun shifting from northern hemisphere to southern hemisphere, which marks the starting of summer in India. It is celebrated in different states with different names. Makar Sankranti has great significance in India as most of the Indian population survives on agriculture. So,
Yes, I know. As in Punjab and Haryana, celebrated as Lodi, in which people bonfire, and also there are some traditional songs. In Tamil Nadu and Pongal, as 4 days harvesting festival involving boiling rice, milk, worshipping kettles, and family gathering.